Established in 2012, Deckard is a wholesale provider of insect screens, which include invisible screen window, invisible screen door, kit security screen window, non-drill screen window, side-hung screen door, retractable screen window, and electric power screen door, etc. We are an insect screen manufacturer integrating R&D, production, and sales to ensure product quality and improve production efficiency. We set up 3 specialized factories in China to enable each factory to focus on the production of 2 to 3 types of screen windows and screen doors. The total cover area of the factories is 300,000 square meters with an annual output of 6 million sets. Besides, to meet the needs of the export business, we have also established a cooperative factory in New Zealand. In order to make good items, Deckard has continuously devoted a lot of funds and energy to the research development of new insect screen items since its establishment, and now owns 13 industrial design patents and utility model patents. We have also established a strict quality inspection system for our raw materials and finished products to guarantee world standard quality. All our items have passed ISO 9001 certification and EUCE certification. Deckard has been committed to providing perfect screen window and door system solutions. Our products are widely used in government, villas, clubs, high-end residences, hotels, shopping malls, office buildings, etc. because of its good brand image. Deckard was designated as the sole agent in China by well-known Japanese insect screen brand Mattel. We accept customization to dot. We have manufactured for over 35 countries of screen doors and screen windows in bulk, and our major markets are in Europe, North America, and Oceania, holding a very good market share in Germany, the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand for real estate companies and wholesalers, and it goes well as custom increased. We have earned a reputation for quality thanks to hard-fought efforts for product quality control and customer-oriented services.